Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Christina. I do different unboxings throughout the month, and I'd really love to have you hit that subscribe button and join my little YouTube family. And for those of you coming back, thank you so much for coming back. You know, I always appreciate your support, and it really just makes me feel good to have you guys comment that you like watching my videos. You know, that's why I do it. I do it for you guys. I don't do it for myself. So I really do appreciate that. So I am sorry. I have been super MIA since my last video. I've just been really busy, you know, working a lot and going to the gym a lot and, you know, wedding planning. You know, we just hit officially 6 months to our wedding about a week ago, and you know, it's getting real. It's getting real now. So there's just, you know, a lot of little things we've been doing. We're going on our first food tasting next week, which I'm really excited about, because isn't that the best part of planning a wedding, is like the food and the cake. Yeah. So really excited about that. But I do have a trunk club coming next week and a Stitch Fix coming next week, so it definitely won't be as long of a hiatus as this time. And yeah, so, you know, thank you guys so much for coming back. I'm sorry I've been, you know, so MIA, but I'm back, and I will try to be a little bit more prompt and frequent with these. Also, as always, if you guys have any ideas of like any new videos that you'd like to see, you know, go ahead and leave that in the comments below, because I'd love to hear your feedback. I really would. You know, I want to create what you guys want to watch, so just let me know. But I am here with a bride box, and this is my February bride box. So I've had it for like 2.5 weeks, and I just haven't had the time to sit down and film it. So I decided to finally do it. I have opened it. I could not wait that long to not open it. But I just wanted to share it with you guys, because I know there's people out there who find this box pretty interesting. For those of you unfamiliar with it, it's a box that's specifically curated for people who are engaged. So it's got like bridal related little things, favors, and just little trinkets that are bridal related. It's just really fun for me to do during this process, because it kind of gets you in the spirit of planning a wedding, and just it's fun to look forward to every month. I only plan on doing this maybe like 2 or 3 months more, just because, you know, the wedding's rapidly approaching, and I really won't need a whole bunch of stuff that says like bride or bachelorette or Mrs. or anything for very much longer, and I just don't want to have a ton of junk for no reason. Not junk, it's good stuff, but I just don't need a lot of it, because I don't have much longer to be engaged. But the thing about this box is that even if you are already married, if you know anybody in your life that's special to you that is getting married, you can actually get this box, and you could like prepay, I think like a month, 3 months, 6 months. I don't know if you can pre-book a year, but that'd be a lot. I don't think that'd be necessary. But you can purchase this as like a gift for a special lady in your life, and, you know, give them a little bit fun thing to open each month, you know, to get ready for their wedding. But that's enough of me blabbering. I just got back from the gym and showered and got ready to do this video, and I'm still dead. I'm so dead right now. I go to Orange Theory Fitness. I don't know if any of you are familiar with it, but it is a hour-long workout class that's heart rate based, and it does a good mix of like cardio and weights, and it's tough, and today was extra tough, so I am drained. But February bride box. So I obviously have another one of these coming in like a week and a half, so you'll be seeing this soon. But this is what it looks like. I kept it still nicely packaged for you guys. It says you're engaged, super cute on the inside. Has a card that has everything in here. A lot of times there's little coupons for the vendors or the companies that like put the items in here, which is cute. So let's just get it. First are these collagen masks. This is like heavy. There's 2 in here, but they're obviously pretty heavy. They're the black lace collagen masks. I haven't tried them yet, but I have heard of them. Like I've seen people like on Instagram and Facebook where they've got this like lace face mask on. So that's what these are. They're by a company called Spa Splurge. And they're all natural, cruelty-free line, and they are supposed to hydrate and soften, brighten tired skin after a long day's worth of wedding planning. So I'm excited to try these. I'm not a big face mask I'm not a big face mask person, but every once in a while I like to do them. So I think this would be kind of a cute one to do. Next is this. It's by Deco Miami, and it is a nail lacquer. When I first opened this box, I was really excited about this because we were doing my bachelorette party in Miami, but I recently switched it to San Diego because the flights were just ridiculous to go to Miami, and I just didn't feel comfortable having all my girls pay that much for a flight alone. So I switched it up, and I'm still a little sad about it because I really wanted to go to Miami, but I know San Diego is going to be amazing, so it'll be fun, and I'll have my best girls with me, and that's really all that matters. But this is a cute, tiny little nail polish. It's a very light pink. The color is called Cake, which is perfect for, you know, a wedding planning box. And let's see, anything interesting? Pretty enough to display, vegan, cruelty-free. And you can order more lovely shades of pink. Well, what if I don't want pink for your bridal party? So yeah, I won't use this, most likely, just because I get my nails done. Kind of religiously, like every 3 weeks. So I don't really paint my nails because I'm awful at it. Like, when I paint my nails, it looks like a toddler did it. Actually, a toddler could probably do a better job. So maybe I'll give this to somebody that, you know, will use it, because I won't use it. Next is this Chubby Eyeshadow Pencil by Sormay. It's in the color Wide Eyed. And it just looks like this, like other, you know, chubby eye pencils. I really don't like these. I've gotten quite a few of them in like my beauty subscription boxes, and I just don't use them. Ooh, it has a sharpener. I just don't use them. I'm a palette eyeshadow kind of girl. I don't really use these for eyeshadow. I actually canceled my Ipsy and I canceled my Sephora Play, and I've really contemplated, you know, canceling my BoxyCharm just because I have so many. I love cosmetics, but I just have so many things that I don't even honestly look at what's in them much anymore, and unless there's something that I know I really want in it, I don't really grab for it. So cancel those. Might cancel a third one. This won't get used. But I haven't heard of that company, Sormay. But it says they have more HD eyeliners on their website. Next is this mystery box. This is really cute. I was really excited to get this. It came all nicely packaged in bubble wrap, and it is a champagne glass, or not a champagne glass, yeah, champagne glass, and it's got all this glitter on the bottom, and it says bride on the side. Let me put it the right way. Bride on the side. It's super cute. I wish it was purple so it matched my colors, but I really like this. It'd be great for, you know, cute little photos, and yeah. It's adorable. It's by a company called Lola Designs. They specialize in unique items for special occasions. And yeah, that's cute. I like that. And I like that it was so nicely packaged so it didn't come broken, because that would be terrible. And last are these adorable socks. They're by a company called Living Royal, designed and printed in the USA. And they just say bride. When you put your feet together, they say bride, and they have these cute little, you know, diamond rings on them, and they're a light, like turquoise blue color. They're really soft. And then the back just says the company Living Royal on them. I don't know how tall these are. Let me see. Are they like no-show? Yeah, I guess they're just like short. They just seem like awkwardly shaped for a sock. But they look like that. They're really cute. And they say handmade with love in Chicago. And they can even, oh, that's cute. So they're blue because they say they can even be your something blue for your wedding day. That's adorable. But that's it. The only other thing in here was 15% off the company that made the cup. So that's it for my bride box for February. And I'm sorry that you're watching this in March. Like, not even early March, like the second week of March. But yeah, like I said, I have a Trunk Club coming next week. I have a Stitch Fix coming next week. I'm really excited for both of those. And then I have my March Bride Box coming. That usually comes around like the 20th because it usually ships about the 15th, 16th, 17th, something around there. But that is it for this video. Go ahead and like it and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I would love to have you, stop showing you my address. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family, as I said, and I appreciate all of your support. And yeah, I will see you next time in my next video. Bye.